Welcome to Step 2 of the ITEP case. Before learning how to find pre-tax income, let's review your progress. In Step 1 of the case, you learned how to conduct basic data cleansing, including creating data and limiting your data set to relevant observations. Along the way, you hopefully began to realize how easy it is to use Alteryx for data transformation and to review the results so that you can ensure quality throughout the data transformation process. In Step 2, you will learn more about XBRL data, the machine-readable format of financial statement filings, as you identify key variables. You will also learn to combine your accounting knowledge with data analytics to compute missing values whenever possible. Finally, you will again limit your data to only those observations which report data for all of your key variables. I'm going to navigate over to get more blank space on my canvas. Firms frequently use two XBRL tags to report pre-tax income. We'll use a formula tool to allow for either of these XBRL tags to be used by a firm to report pre-tax income. Let's drag a formula tool from the preparation menu until it appears on a blank space outside of the Step 1 tool container. I'm going to make a manual connection from the Select tool in Step 1, Part 9 to the Formula tool. Click the drop-down arrow, select the option to add a column, and label the new column Pre-Tax Income. We're going to use a formula, so click FX, expand the conditional menu, and then choose the option for if C, then T, else F, and if. We're going to begin with the is null condition. Replace V with the first XBRL tag used to report pre-tax income, which would be income loss from continuing operations before taxes, minority interest, and income loss from equity method investments. Replace T with the second XBRL tag that is used, which is income loss from continuing operations before income taxes, extraordinary items, non-controlling interest. We're going to replace F with the very first pre-tax income tag. Change the default data type to double. In plain language, this formula tells Alteryx to only use the second XBRL tag when the first XBRL tag is missing. In our preview, we see that the first row of data is missing both XBRL tags, resulting in a null result. Let's annotate our tool with Step 2, Part 1. And then we can save and run our workflow. Good job. XBRL tag data can often vary between firms even when standard tags are used. Thus, as you did in this step, you sometimes have to be flexible in allowing firms to use alternate tags to report the same data. Data aggregators commonly normalize or standardize data to facilitate comparison between firms. This formula tool did a bit of data normalization. The order in which various numeric data are handled is important when you want to minimize the loss of data due to differences in reporting choice. While a full discussion of the order is beyond the scope of these videos, the appropriate order relies on accounting expertise. Thus, it is important that accountants learn data analytics and the data that they're working with to ensure high-quality data transformations. As we go through the rest of the processes in Step 2, use your accounting knowledge to evaluate the order in which the data fields are processed.